Every device you use runs on semiconductors. Here's why Indian investors should care. Your phone, your laptop, the server running your bank account, the car in your driveway, all of them run on chips called semiconductors. Semiconductors are materials that control how electricity flows, making it possible to build processors, memory chips, and sensors. As artificial intelligence scales, demand for advanced chips is accelerating faster than the broader economy. Global semiconductor sales are projected to approach $975 billion in 2026, with AI chips accounting for nearly half of that. This isn't a trend, it's infrastructure. The risks are real and worth understanding. The semiconductor industry is highly cyclical. When demand slows, company earnings can fall sharply and quickly. Most of the world's advanced chips are manufactured in Taiwan. Any disruption there shakes the entire global supply chain. This is precisely why most investors choose ETFs over individual stocks. You get exposure across chip designers, manufacturers, and equipment makers without betting everything on one name. 3 US semiconductor ETFs worth knowing. SMH, VanEck Semiconductor ETF, the largest and most liquid option, holds approximately 25 companies including Nvidia, TSMC, and Broadcom. Nvidia alone makes up approximately 20% of the fund, a concentrated bet on the current leaders. SOXX, iShares Semiconductor ETF, broader diversification with approximately 30 holdings and a 10% cap per company, less top-heavy than SMH, which smooths out single stock risk. SOXQ, Invesco, PHLX, Semiconductor ETF tracks the same index as SOXX but at a lower expense ratio, 0.19% versus 0.35%. Over time, that difference compounds. What this means for Indian investors? India currently offers limited direct exposure to semiconductor companies. US ETFs are a practical, low-cost, and compliant route, accessible through the liberalized remittance scheme, which allows Indian residents to invest up to $250,000 abroad per financial year. If you want to understand global investing, follow this channel. You can contact us at 9289 837 100. We will be happy to guide you.